Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Call of Duty. Mobile requires an internet connection and a logged-in account to run most features, so you cannot reliably play the full game offline. The developers designed matchmaking, progression, and anti-cheat to work online. There is no official full offline campaign on Android. That said, you can prepare while connected. Sign into your account, download all in-game asset packs and updates, and open the training menu once so the client caches models and maps for quicker local loading later. To maximize any limited offline functionality, first sign into your account and let the game finish all updates and asset downloads. Open the training mode and run one short session. Leave the training open for 30 to 60 seconds so character models, weapon skins, and sounds can cache to local storage. Make sure you have at least 2 GB free storage and charge the device to 50% or more before going offline. This reduces crashes and gives the client room to save temporary files. If true offline play is essential, choose legitimate single-player shooters or older Call of Duty mobile ports that ship a campaign. Play Call of Duty campaigns on console or PC, or search official mobile titles such as Strike Team for offline missions. These provide structured single-player content without online requirements. Always respect account and anti-cheat policies. Do not install unofficial modified APKs or hacks to force offline play, because those break terms and risk bans and security issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.